how to add a signature in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you do not want to always type in your email signature and want to set it as a default, then you're in the right place. Outlook provides you that choice. So, for that, you need to go to Outlook and then go to File in the top left and then tap on Settings. Now, you'll need to go to Accounts and then go to Signatures. Now, you can see the empty text box, so you can put in any signature that you want to. So, after every mail at the end, I want warm regards to be returned, and then I want my name. So I'll just tap in that and then I'll hit save. Now, every time I write an email, this signature will appear at the end without typing it every time. This is my Outlook signature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.